High in the Ethiopian mountains lives a remarkable creature, the Ethiopian wolf, a rare and beautiful carnivore. With its reddish coat and pointed ears, it is a striking sight. These wolves are found nowhere else on Earth. They are perfectly adapted to their harsh environment. They are agile hunters built for speed and endurance. The Ethiopian wolf is a symbol of the wild beauty of these highlands, but their future is uncertain. The Ethiopian highlands are a unique ecosystem, unlike any other in the world. Stretching across the roof of Africa, these highlands are a testament to nature's resilience and beauty. Known as the Afro-Alpine, it is a world of grasslands and wildflowers. These vibrant meadows are dotted with colorful blooms that paint the landscape in hues of yellow, purple, and red. This environment exists above the tree line with thin air and extreme temperatures. The altitude here is so high that only the hardiest of plants and animals can survive. The Ethiopian wolf has made this challenging landscape its home. Adapted to the harsh conditions, it thrives where few other predators can. Their primary prey is the rodent, abundant in these grasslands. These small creatures are a vital food source, sustaining the wolves through the seasons. The big-headed African mole rat makes up a significant part of their diet. This rodent, with its distinctive large head, is perfectly adapted to the underground life of the highlands. These wolves play a crucial role in maintaining the delicate balance of this ecosystem. By preying on rodents, they help regulate the population, preventing overgrazing and preserving the grasslands. Their presence helps control rodent populations, which impacts the entire food chain. This intricate balance ensures the survival of many other species, making the Ethiopian wolf a keystone species in the Afro-Alpine ecosystem. Sadly, these remarkable creatures face an array of threats. The Ethiopian wolf, one of the rarest canids in the world, is struggling to survive in its rapidly changing environment. Habitat loss is a major concern as human populations expand into their territory. The highlands, once a sanctuary for these wolves, are now being overtaken by human activities. Land is being converted for agriculture, reducing the wolves' hunting grounds. This not only limits their food sources, but also fragments their habitat, making it harder for them to find mates and establish territories. This brings them into closer contact with domestic animals. As they venture closer to human settlements in search of food, the risk of conflict increases. This proximity to domestic dogs poses another serious risk: disease. Domestic dogs can carry pathogens that are deadly to the wolves. Canine distemper and rabies are a significant threat to the Ethiopian wolf population. These diseases, often transmitted by domestic dogs, can decimate entire packs. These diseases can spread quickly and have devastating effects on their numbers. Conservation efforts are crucial to protect these wolves from extinction, but the challenges are immense. Section 4. Guardians of the Highlands Conservation Efforts. Thankfully, there is hope. Dedicated individuals and organizations are working tirelessly to protect the Ethiopian wolf. The Ethiopian Wolf Conservation Program, or EWCP, is at the forefront of these efforts. They are vaccinating wolves against rabies and canine distemper. They are also working with local communities, educating them about the importance of wolf conservation. These efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of this endangered species. Section 5. A future for the wolves, our role in their story. The future of the Ethiopian wolf hangs in the balance. These majestic creatures, unique to the Ethiopian highlands, face numerous threats, including habitat loss, disease, and human encroachment. Their survival is not just a matter of preserving a species, but also maintaining the ecological balance of their habitat. But we can all play a part in their survival. Conservation efforts are not limited to scientists and researchers. They require the involvement of local communities, governments, and even tourists. Every individual has a role to play in ensuring these wolves have a future. Supporting ecotourism initiatives can provide crucial funding for conservation efforts. When tourists visit the highlands to see these wolves, they contribute financially to the preservation of the habitat and the species. This funding is essential for ongoing research, anti-poaching measures, and habitat restoration projects. These initiatives also offer a sustainable way for local communities to benefit from the wolves' presence. By involving local people in ecotourism, we create economic opportunities that encourage the protection of the wolves and their environment. This symbiotic relationship ensures that both the community and the wildlife thrive. By raising awareness about their plight, we can inspire action. Every effort counts. Educational campaigns and community outreach programs are vital in spreading the message about the importance of conserving the Ethiopian wolf. When people understand the significance of these animals, they are more likely to support and engage in conservation activities. Let us ensure that these magnificent creatures continue to roam the Ethiopian highlands for generations to come. Our collective efforts today will determine the fate of the Ethiopian wolf. Together we can make a difference and secure a future where these wolves thrive in their natural habitat.